Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this cleaner duster set with an extension pole. And I do want to thank the company for actually gifting this to me. But essentially what we have here is a heavy duty pole that extends. So with it extending, you can see the extensions here. You've got the actual duster here, as well as a high ceiling fan duster as well. You've got a universal joint. So with this, it's able to kind of tilt forward and backward. You've got a cleaning mop over here. You've also got a squeegee for windows. So this is what that looks like. And then you also have a brush as well. So this right here. So with this is going to be great to reach those hard to reach areas using the extension pole that you see right over there. It's able to function for a multitude of different cases. So such as cleaning high ceiling fans, wiping tall windows, and also just wiping the windows with an actual mop in order to go ahead and clean it. The brush itself, it is a universal joint. So with that being said, you can attach just to the top of the pole to attach other different attachment heads to it as well. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.